In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a GPA calculator in Notion using a template. By the end, you'll have a simple system for tracking your courses, grades, and GPA in one place. Open Notion and go to the Templates gallery. In the search bar, type GPA calculator or grade tracker and browse the available templates. Select the one you want, then click Use this template or duplicate to add it to your workspace. Once the template is added, enter your courses, credit hours, and grades into the provided fields. If the template includes GPA formulas, they'll calculate your GPA automatically as you update your information. Customize the page to match your needs by adding semesters, changing property names, or creating separate sections for different academic years. You can also add notes, assignments, or study goals alongside your grades. As you receive new grades, update the database to keep your GPA current. Review the calculated results to track your academic progress throughout the semester. If you can't find a GPA calculator template, you can create your own database with properties for course name, credits, grade, and GPA calculations using Notion formulas. That's how to create a GPA calculator in Notion. Thanks for watching.